Today I'm going to show you how to make very simple Oreo pops. So first we want to begin with melting some chocolate, and I have a variety of different types of chocolate that you can use. I am using Mega Stuff Oreos. I have some treat sticks here as well, and I just found these at Walmart, but you can get them online. And so this is 2 cups of chocolate chips, and I'm going to add in about a tablespoon of oil to it. And then I will just microwave this on high for about 30 seconds and then stir, 30 seconds stir, 25 seconds stir until it's nice and melted and very runny. See how nice and thick that is? And then I'll take a stick, we'll get some chocolate on it, and we'll stick it right in there and kind of push down on the Oreo to make sure it stays. So I'm going to put this over here on this sheet pan lined with parchment paper. Again, dip in the chocolate, hold on to the Oreo and just push it in about halfway, 3/4 of the way. I have the white done and it's really nice and runny. And I'm going to take the stick. All right, I have several of them dipped. Now I'll put this in the fridge for about 10 minutes to let that little bit of chocolate set. And then I'll take one of these Oreo pops and then we'll go straight in and out. Got the excess drizzle. Give it a little tap if you want. But this is pretty good. I'm going to take this and put it in my little styrofoam here and dip it this way. You'll have to just tilt it a little bit. It doesn't dip as easy. So that's why I usually will put it in a glass like this. Come over here to this little thing. I have this little bowl of, a glass bowl of nuts. And then you can just kind of go like that if you want. And put some nuts on it. And you can put on some sprinkles too if you want. And when you are done dipping them, put them in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. Another thing you can do is you can put chocolate in like a pastry bag, or you could use like a sandwich bag and just snip off the corner and do some designs on those if you want. And then just put those back in the fridge so that outer chocolate design can set up. The Oreo Pops are done and turned out fantastic. Take care. Time for me to dive into one of these. Oh yeah. This one? Yeah.